Right here below, I've given you a bunch of codes that you can use to promote my ringtone, Swervin. Post them on your MySpace, your Facebook, and email them to your friends. Upload them on your Twitter account. Add them as messages to your AIM. Even post them as bulletins. You can put them anywhere on the net. If there's an internet connection, you can do it. The more people that click on your link and download my ringtone for my mojo, the greater your chances of winning an autographed Puma shoe. Like it, huh? It's really that easy. And if you're curious to see how you're doing in comparison to your competition, just simply log in right here at the web address provided at the very bottom of the screen. And we'll let you know exactly where you're ranked. Well, good luck. Run through that tape, because I'm curious to see who's going to come across that finish line first.